Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Alright, showing you an easy way you can use your leftovers. So I have leftover spaghetti sauce. So what you need here, I don't even need to list the ingredients. You need the big burrito shells. But if you want to use those small flour tortillas, you can. But this is the big one. So what I've done is I've put my meat sauce on one side of it. Got two types of cheese, provolone, mild cheddar. You can use any type of cheese you want. And if you have a sauce that doesn't have any meat in it, well, what you can do is you can tailor make this and make it taste like pizza. So you can put sausage, pepperoni, black olives, mushrooms, onions, green peppers, whatever. The sky's the limit of what you can do with this. So this is very easy and it's very good. In fact, my son is a picky eater and he ate it. If you haven't hit that like or subscribe button, do that now. Hit that bell for notifications so you'll be one of the first ones to know when I put up a new video. Alright, so what you want to do with that is you're going to put it on one half of that shell. You're going to fold that shell over. So you're going to have like a half moon shape. Now put some oil in the pan. Put this in here. This recipe is less than 10 minutes. I'm telling you, to make it, it's just less than 10 minutes. All right, so you're going to keep flipping this. You're going to flip it until you get a nice golden color on the outside of your shell. So as far as the inside, when you see your cheese oozing out, that means your cheese is hot. The interior of it is hot. So if you are using a cold sauce out of the refrigerator, then you know you're going to have to reduce your heat and you're going to have to cook this a little bit longer. But everybody, I'm telling you, using leftovers sometimes is great. Sometimes the next day you don't feel like cooking. So if you don't, then here's something else you can do besides boiling more pasta. You can do something like totally different. And you can put a salad on the side or either some veggies, and that bumps up the meal and makes it healthier for your kiddos. How about that? All right, so put this on the a cutting board, and I cut it into like 4 pieces. So now you can see a bit of my sauce was oozing out. Now what happens to thicken that up is you just make a quick slurry. You just make cornstarch. Now this is before you use it, of course. So you make cornstarch and water slurry, and then you put it in there. It's going to thicken up considerably, and when it gets to your desired thickness so that it doesn't ooze out too much in your pan, then that's when you're going to go ahead and assemble it. All right, I'm putting sour cream on the side of mine for dipping, but if you got something else you want to do, hey, you could even put fries on the side of here too, so think about it. That's what it looks like. Thanks for watching, everybody. See y'all next time. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.